Please rise for the pledge to the flag.
Good morning, Cedar Crest. Today is Thursday, February 13th. I'm Abby Greenwald.
And I'm Caitlin Bortz.
Coming up, we have the perfect idea for your Valentine.
Also, we have more information on the bowling team. We'll be right back with all of this and your school news.
In class news, are you a senior planning on pursuing an education after you graduate? If so, consider applying for the CLEA Senior Grant. Applications are now available in the guidance office. Several $1,500 grants will be given to CCHS seniors who are pursuing 2-year, 4-year, or vocational degrees. Applying is easy, so pick up an application today. The Rotary Club sponsors juniors to attend the Rotary Leadership Awards Conference at Messiah College June 14th through the 19th, 2020. This is a wonderful opportunity to connect with community leaders to build communication and problem-solving skills. You will learn to unlock your potential and turn motivation into action. The deadline to return your application to the counseling office is Wednesday, March 11th. Stop in the counseling office for more information. Students in grades 10 through 12 who are interested in earning service hours or helping younger students in the district should apply to be middle school tutors. To be eligible to become a tutor, you must have at least a 3.5 GPA, have no discipline concerns, and have a good attendance. Stop in the chorus room, room 104, to pick up an application if you are interested.
In club news, attention NHS members, if anyone is looking for service hours, we can use help canning for Minithon at Palmyra Walmart this Saturday from 10 to 12 or 12 to 2. Anyone who participates will earn $10 towards Minithon registration fee. See Mrs. Reich in room 211 if you are interested. Spanish Club members, please turn in your Philly trip permission slips to Senor Pushta as soon as possible. Also, if you missed the meeting, see Senor in room 221. The next book club meeting will be Wednesday, February 18th in the library after school. This meeting is open to current members and other interested students. We will be reading Little Women by Louisa May Alcott and watching the movie at a later date. If you have any further questions, join the Remind at CC Reads.
In school news, order your Minithon t-shirt today. Order forms are in the Minithon registration packet. You can pick up packets at Mrs. Boger's room 202, Mrs. Steckbeck's room 303, and t-shirts are $10 and all money are due February 21st. Help to wave cancer goodbye for the kids.
Don't forget that Minithon is on March 6th. Hand in your packets and raise some money for the kids.
Come out for a night full of events, great food, and lots of fun for a great cause.
Students who are planning to enroll in chorus next year and would like to audition for a place in next year's concert choir, please stop by the chorus room, room 104, during homeroom to sign up for an audition time. Returning members of concert choir do not need to re-audition.
The following schools will soon be visiting Cedar Crest for interested students in grades 10 through 12. Please sign up at the desk in the College and Career Center located in the library so that you may attend the meeting. Monday, March 2nd, Huston College, an art school in Philadelphia.
Thursday, March 12th, Alvernia University.
Tomorrow is Valentine's Day. If you haven't found something for that special someone, seniors Dylan Tull and Carter Kent are here to help you find a quick and easy gift.
Hey guys, I'm Dylan Tull. I'm a senior from Cedar Crest High School, and my favorite sport is tennis. Do you know how?
Yeah, of course I know.
Good
I'm a professional everything.
Should I get strawberry frosting?
Yeah.
Okay. Boom. Okay. Should I get, that's pink. It says it's charged raspberry lemonade. All right, let's get that. How many? Well, 2?
2.
Okay. I love to communicate with people, so I'm always on the phone with someone. Basically that, or else I'm doing homework. Because, you know, senior year, usually supposed to be easy, but not this guy. I can get this one. Do I really need this one? Yeah, I do.
Give us a 12. Yeah.
We have the announcements, guys. Tres huevos. Wow. No, my baker's gone baking. Okay, this looks bad now. One of the perks of cooking, you mess up a bunch. Hey, Mom. Where's the beater? Oh, it's right in front of my eyes. All right, we're gonna whisk for 2 minutes. Do you remember Dora and Su Abuela? Delicioso. Done, and with a mess. Just spin it around then. How's it taste? They're going in.
Twenty minutes later.
Okay. Make sure you have the one that's like a minute away from your house. You're here in Jonathan's house? Here to help. You're here with the icing.
Oh, he's gonna help ice the cupcakes, and you're also gonna taste test them. Okay.
Why? You want some?
No, I don't want some.
Oh.
I don't know if that's chocolate. Kill wash. Yeah, let's get. Are we going? Are we all going at the same time?
Yeah. 3, 2, 1. This is all tastes so good.
What?
So good.
They are pretty good. Wait.
Look at it.
It is pretty nice.
So, Abby, do you have a Valentine?
No, I do not, Caitlin. Do you have a Valentine?
No. Abby, will you be my Valentine?
Of course I will! In sports news, the bowling team won the Lebanon-Lancaster team title on Tuesday evening. They won another piece of hardware. Today, the boys are bowling for the Lebanon-Lancaster League's championships. The girls seek the same title on Friday. Think of them during the day.
Now we send it over to Caroline with our weather.
Thursday has a high of 48 and a low of 27 with clouds. Friday has a high of 31 and a low of 12 with sun. Saturday has a high of 34 and a low of 24 with sun and clouds. Sunday has a high of 48 and a low of 28 with mild conditions. Monday has a high of 48 and a low of 32 with partly sun. Tuesday is going to warm up a lot with a high of 50 and a low of 32 with rain. And Wednesday has a high of 37 and a low of 21 with clouds. That's all for your weekly weather outlook. Back to the desk.
Thanks, Caroline. Tune in to CCHS Today tomorrow for a special message from your student section leaders.
That's all for your morning announcements. Remember to put your earbuds away and wear your ID for your friend's safety and your own. I'm Caitlin Bortz.
And I'm Abby Greenwald. Make it a great day, Cedar Crest.